Ever wondered how to create custom objects and fields in Salesforce? Today, we're diving into this fundamental aspect of customizing the platform to suit your specific business needs. First, we'll start with creating a custom object. After logging into your Salesforce organization, you'll need to navigate to Setup by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner. Next, type Object Manager in the Quick Find box and select it. From here, click on Create and choose Custom Object. Now it's time to define the custom object properties. Fill in the necessary information such as the label, plural label, object name, data type, and record name. You can also configure additional settings like enabling activities, allowing reports, and enabling feed tracking. Once you're done, click Save. Next, we'll create custom fields on a custom object. Navigate back to the Object Manager in Setup and select the custom object for which you want to create a custom field. Click on Fields and AMP Relationships in the left sidebar, and then New Field. Choose the data type for your custom field, such as text, number, or date. Set properties like field label, length for text fields, decimal places for number fields, and so on. Configure any additional options based on the field type. Set field level security, and add the new field to the page layouts. Click Next and then Save to create the custom field. Finally, we'll build custom page layouts. In the Object Manager, select the object for which you want to create a custom page layout. Click on Page Layouts in the left sidebar, and then New Page Layout. If your object has multiple record types, choose the appropriate one. Drag and drop fields, related lists, and sections from the palette onto the layout. Click on a field to configure its properties. Adjust related lists, and save your work. And there you have it. A step-by-step guide to creating custom objects and fields in Salesforce. Remember, these customizations allow you to store information unique to your organization and capture additional data on standard or custom objects, making Salesforce a truly flexible tool for your business needs.
Ever wondered how to manage records in Salesforce? Well, today is your lucky day. We're going to dive right into the process, and by the end of this video, you'll be well on your way to becoming a Salesforce whiz. In Salesforce, records are instances of objects, with each object representing a specific type of data. This could be an account, a contact, an opportunity, or a custom object. These records can be created, updated, and deleted via various methods, including the Salesforce user interface, data loader, or even through Apex, Salesforce's programming language. So, how do you create a record? Well, it's quite simple. Navigate to the Objects tab, for example, Accounts or Contacts. Click the New button, fill in the required fields, and click Save. Voila, you've created a record. Next up, updating records. Locate and open the record you wish to update. Modify the necessary fields and hit Save. Your record is now updated. Deleting records is straightforward too. Open the record you wish to delete, click the Delete button, and confirm the deletion. But remember to be cautious when deleting records, as it could have cascading effects on related data. Now let's talk about bulk operations with Data Loader. This is a Salesforce tool that allows you to perform bulk insert, update, upsert, delete, and export operations. To use this, you'll need to download and install Data Loader, log in, choose the operation, select the CSV file containing the records to process, map fields in your CSV file to Salesforce fields, and then start the operation. But remember, you must handle errors appropriately, especially in bulk operations, to prevent data inconsistencies. Now, onto importing data. Salesforce provides a tool called Data Import Wizard for this. To use it, navigate to the Data Import Wizard, launch it, select your object, prepare your CSV file, upload it, map the fields, start the import, review and confirm, and monitor the progress. Once the import is complete, review the results to check for any errors or warnings. Finally, exporting data. Salesforce provides the data export feature for this. If you don't have access to data export, you can also use Data Loader for exporting data. To use this, navigate to Data Export, choose your data range and objects, choose your delivery options, start the export, and monitor the progress. In summary, we've covered creating, updating, and deleting records in Salesforce, as well as using Data Loader and Data Import Wizard. Remember, In Salesforce, records are simply instances of objects, and you can modify them through various means. As always, handle your data with care and always check for any errors or inconsistencies. And that's it for today. Now you're ready to manage records in Salesforce like a pro.